I can't believe the day's here. It's been a long time coming, to say the least. I mean, it all started a few years ago. Maybe like, what, 5?
5 years, 28 months, and a few days.
Oh.
Or a few hours.
Oh, a few hours? Okay, you're good.
Yep.
You're good.
Bam.
That's a damn
Hey, you're cute. You marry me?
Yes.
Okay.
He added me on Facebook. I was texting my sister late at night. I'm like, this weirdo just tried to add me on Facebook. Like, should I accept it or no? And she's like, oh yeah, he's super nice. I know him and he's seen you with me. Like, it's okay.
Actually, so through Shelby's sister, Chelsea, we got to talking, and then first time I really seen her in person was in Freddy's in Manhattan, Kansas.
My first impression was that he was really good looking. And he he was such a gentleman. He took his hat off to meet me, and I just thought, like, growing up, that was something that was not reality a lot, and like you saw it in movies, and I just thought, oh my gosh, like, it just amazed me, and I thought, wow, if this is his personality, then like, that's awesome.
She's a lot of fun. She smiled a lot. Never a dull moment at all. It was just always, she was cracking jokes and just really a free spirit, I guess it seems like, and it's a lot of fun to be around her. And she's really pretty, I think.
You look so beautiful, Shelby.
Friends, we've gathered here today in the presence of the Lord with Trenton and Shelby to give thanks for the gift of marriage and to share in the joy of their wedding.
It's hard to believe people when they say that today will be the best day of our lives, because the last 5 years have been amazing. I'm so excited for today and what lies ahead of us. I'm so blessed and fortunate to have a partner like you in the rodeo arena and the arena of life.
I have dreamed of getting to marry my best friend since I was a little girl. You've had everything I could ever dream of spending forever with. I can't wait to grow old with you and want to spend every second I can with you. You make my days so much brighter. You encourage me, have faith in me, have been there for me through so much.
If you're asking if I need you, the answer is forever. If you're asking if I will leave you, the answer is never. If you're asking what I value, the answer is you. If you're asking if I love you, the answer is I do. But the most important thing is, even if we're apart, I will always be with you. I love you every single moment.
Ever since the second I met you, I knew you were who I wanted to spend my life with. The thousands of miles traveled, the laughs, the tears, the good times, and the bad have brought us to where we are today, and I'm so thankful for that. I love you so much and can't wait to be your wife. I don't want to live a single day without you. Love always. I love you.
It's gonna happen, I think.
And as you, Trenton and Shelby, have committed yourselves to one another before God and in the presence of these witnesses, I pronounce you husband and wife. Trenton, you may kiss your bride. And now it's my privilege to introduce to you for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Trenton Turner.
Hey boy, I see you over there. I see you staring, boy. What are you thinking? I need to know. Oh, why don't you come on over? Go ahead, slide a little closer. I sure love to know ya. What are you waiting for?
Growing up, Shelby and I may not have been the best of friends, but we somehow have found our way to become probably best friends now. And I couldn't be more proud of that. And I'm so glad I got to stand up next to you today. And I'm so glad I got to help you marry your best friend. And Trenton, I'm so glad that you are there to care for my sister and treat her like a queen. And I couldn't ask for anyone better for my sister. And to that, I just want you to love her and treat her the best that you can. And I love you both so much.
Hey boy, I just wanna know your dreams, where you've been and what you think. I think you should come with me. Boy, I know it's getting late, but that's a chance I like to take. And by the way you're looking at me, we don't have to wait. 'Cause this band sounds pretty good, and I'm digging the color of your eyes. And I can't help wondering, maybe, would you wanna do something tonight?
I tried to convince Trenton to come to WT, where I went to college at, down in Canyon, Texas. And if he had done that, I don't think him and Shelby would be sitting here. So I'm glad you didn't listen to me on that account.
Me too.
Because, I mean, these two, I look up to you, Trenton. Everything you've put together in the last, few years, it's been unbelievable. Shelby, Trenton, you guys, these guys, I can't say enough about them. Trenton gave you the shirt off his back. Shelby, the nicest gal I've ever met. You two are perfect together.
Yeah, let's do something tonight.
He came back to Garden, he's like, I met her. I'm like, met who? And he says, Shelby. I'm like, all right, tell me who Shelby is. So he goes into full detail, and he's head over heels over this whole deal. I'm like, we'll see. And every time they would come down to Amarillo or Canyon, and there would be Shelby. And they would both be grinning cheek to cheek, no matter what, to see me. And as soon as I saw that, I realized those two were meant for each other.
Boy, I see you over there. I see you staring, boy. What are you thinking? I need to know.